Hey, how's it going, cleaning business owners? My name is Alex. I am the co-founder of Scale My Cleaning Business. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize and create your profiles online, just to have a good presence. And the reason that this is so important is because whether you're on the residential side or commercial side or both, your target customers or clients are going to be checking your presence online. So the next part is Facebook. So if you go on your main page, your main Facebook page, facebook.com, what you'll be able to do is just create a page this way. So you go to create page, and we're going to name this Alex's Cleaning Business. And I'm not going to go through the whole thing because it's just going to take too much time, but I'm just going to go through the basic steps and then also show you an optimized profile. Category, cleaning. You can do cleaning service. You can also do multiple ones, janitorial service. You can choose up to 3. I would recommend doing all 3. That way if people look up janitorial or cleaning, it'll show up. And then make sure you have a description. So talk about your services. And again, I'm going to show you an example after this, so no worries. But for now, I'm just going to leave that blank just to save time, and then we'll create the page. Okay, perfect. If you guys ever aren't sure where your pages are, you just go to your pages and then you scroll down to here. All right, so Alex's Cleaning Business, we're going to create a username, so you can just do Alex Cleaning Business, maybe the location, Philadelphia, create username. So a lot of them are probably taken, so you just got to use numbers or just try to make it specific, and then create username. All right, so the next part is to add the button. So my biggest recommendation is whatever the call to action is. So if you have an online booking calendar, you can actually put it in here. Or you could have a contact us or call now. So whatever is the easiest way for your customers to find you and get in contact with you, and to basically your sales process, whether that's over the phone or online, you just want to have that button linked to it. So then you're going to post. I would recommend just start by posting maybe 3 to 5 posts, and then see if you can post about 1 time a week. Maybe if you have an assistant, you can even have them do it. But highly recommend just being at least relatively consistent. It isn't the most important thing in the world, because for example, if you have 100 people that like your page, maybe only 3 to 5 people are actually going to see it. But when people check, it's more important for when people check you out before they buy from you, just building trust and just, telling a story, also showing some of your work, and then just basically informing, educating, and just engaging with your audience, engaging with potential buyers. So that's really important. And then after this, we're going to provide info. So your website, your location, fill all these things out. Introduce your page. You're going to introduce it. I would recommend inviting people to like your page, as many friends as you can. And also add your profile picture. So your profile picture should be your logo. The background should be basically just highlighting maybe something of your work. Could be also something that could be a special that you're running right now. That could be very good. Just something basically to highlight what you're doing. And again, I'm going to show you some examples. Okay, so yeah, you'll fill all these things in. And yeah, just get some posts up. I would start posting at least once a week. All right, so I'm going to be showing you 2 examples. So this is actually one of our clients up in New York. She's been posting on a pretty regular basis. She posts one of her deals that she's running, and you can see here that she has, well, first of all, she has a great photo of her work, and she has her logo, very clean, very neat. This should only be used for your logo, nothing else. And if you don't have a logo, I should also mention, if you don't have a logo, go to canva.com, make a logo, or just pay someone to create a logo. You can go on Fiverr. I mean, you kind of get what you pay for, if I'm being completely honest. Or you can pay for a more upgraded logo with a professional, someone who actually does graphic design, someone who does logos. All right, so yeah, so she's actually posting a couple things, some great graphics. Again, all this can be done on Canva. Very nice and neat. And these are just some informative things about cleaning. So this is about how things stick to your walls. And then one thing she does that I really like and that I would recommend to everyone is she always has a call to action. So that could be call us today for your cleaning, and then also your phone number. The hashtags, they're not completely necessary. You more so need hashtags for Instagram, but it doesn't hurt, but it's not really necessary on Facebook. Yeah, so she just has some really nice graphics. Her page is really nice. That's her uniform, some of her work. So she really just has a good variety. This is one of her clients that was thanking her with $50. So just be authentic, create a story, be informative, be educational. That's really the main thing. And then she's this one's pretty engaging. Did your holiday party get a bit messy? Did someone spill some wine on the floor? No need to worry. So just, something that's relevant maybe to the current times. I wouldn't really relate it to any politics or religion. Maybe that's just me, but I mean, you don't want to stir people the wrong way. But yeah, so those are all good. Yeah, so her description. And then this is why she started the company, what she does. This is very specific. And this is good because Facebook will, kind of like Google, it'll look at all these things and wants you to fill out all these different parts of your profile. 55 people like it. She has her website, email, phone number, all that. And that's pretty much it. The only other thing is book now. So I think, I'm trying to see where that goes. Test button. Yeah, so she has her online booking right there. So yeah, I mean, whatever's easiest, and then people can just book right here. They put their phone number in, appointment notes, and then they request an appointment. And so yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for Facebook. If you guys, just like Google, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Yeah, we're more than happy to help you out. And we just want to see you have a good presence, because that's really the foundation before you want to start building out these systems. So before you start running Facebook ads in this case.